What is up, gamers? Today I am playing Slime Launcher. Hopefully it loads soon enough for me to start this video. I think it's loading now. Look at that, poking in the eye. Hey, where'd my mouse go? Where'd my mouse? Anyway, yeah, a few months ago, this channel has been on YouTube for over a year and a half. That's over 300. No. That's over 365 days. So basically, this channel has been on YouTube for about 400 days. That's crazy, isn't it? And I think we might have to make a sacrifice. I'm sorry. Oh, you deserve it. You deserve it. I should use these. Ooh. Ow. Take this. Sacrifice. You're not happy, but I'm going to shoot you. Anyway, we might just get up. Oh, can I make it into her? Basketball. No. Anyway, come on, let's just leave. Oh, I forgot, this place is so laggy. Ignore this. We're just going to the jungle. It's like Minecraft. If you run and jump, you go faster! Anyway, comment down below what videos you want to see me do. Just steal a few. Who needs a tank? Actually, no. I'm gonna. Yeah, like and subscribe. I forgot to say that. Welcome back to Dexter's Game Squad. I think our channel is called. I'm Dexter, of course. I'm Dexter, of course. Otherwise, I would not have this channel. No, who needs a whistle when you can just blast up there? Collect the slimes. I don't want carrots. Normally I'd love carrots, but can't really. Anyway, get sucked up. You know what happened to all my plots? My plots. Where did my plots go? Hello. Look at my plots. If you don't know what a plot is, it's basically one of these slimes poop. Poop. I regret saying that. But anyway, ooh, plot. Come on, let's go. We need these guys as a sacrifice. The plots we can just spread out. Anyway, so let's go to the jungle and hope we don't actually find the rabbit slimes, because I forgot where the rabbit slimes are. So yeah, is this rabbit slime? Wait, how do you get into the jungle? Well, try and find the rabbit slimes, use these as sacrifices, and then I think we might end the video. This will be a short one, but you know, the more the merrier. Wait, ow! Dare you? Wait, where are the fell slimes? I'm lost. I'm stuck. Go here. Wait! Haha! Dang it. Oh, I guess I died. Got knocked out.